Hello, my name is Brandon. In this video I'm going to show you how to make permanent color changes to your website using CSS. Now we're going to need to use an FTP program, and I'm choosing Cyberduck because it's free and it's really easy to use. So once we've opened that up, we can log into our website, go into the HTML folder, and then at the very bottom open this style.css file. You can double click on that and it'll download it and you can open it from there. But I prefer to open it using this Cyberduck program because once I save the file, it'll make the changes automatically. It'll update automatically to the website. So I'm going to click on this edit button, and that'll open in my editor of choice, which is Textmate. And once you have that open, you'll see all these different values, which you recognize from Firebug as color values, and then each element associated with those. So if we go back to our website, and let's say we want to make changes to these link colors. Now you see there's two colors involved. There's this maroon color when you hover over it, and there's also the standard green color. So what if we want to change that maroon to a light blue color? We're going to use Firebug, we're going to use the inspect element, and we're going to click on this value right here, that element. And now you'll see all the CSS information. Now it looks kind of confusing because there's a lot of different values associated. But just look for these little hexadecimal digits and you'll recognize them as color values. And there's also this color associated with it. So when we hover, we can see that that's the maroon color that we want to change. So we're going to choose a color using color generator. And let's pick a light blue there. There we go. How about that light blue? Copy this value, and then double click, paste it in there, and then when we hover over it, we'll see that the color change has been made. But if we want to make that permanent, we're going to have to use the actual file. So first thing we want to do is make a note to ourselves. This element is the header links element, and we also need to remember that we're using the hover value, which appears to be gone now. So we'll go back over here and we'll see all these different elements. Oh, there it is, header links, and then there's the hover. So we're going to double click, and that was the same number that it was before. But now we're going to paste this new value in, save the file, and then once that updates through the FTP program, it's still uploading. Now we can refresh the web page, and the color changes have been made permanent. So when you hover over it, there it is. There's that permanent color. Now you can do this for any value you want. So if we want to change this green to maybe a dark blue so that it changes from dark blue to light blue when you hover, then we just use the same method we did before. And it's as simple as that. One important note though is if you want to make changes to an image, for instance this logo, the inspect element will not show you the actual CSS because there isn't any color CSS associated with that value. And the reason is because it's an image. If you want to change the color of that, you're going to have to use an image editing program like Photoshop. And so that's it for this video.